How to fix camera shutter lag in Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera. Now in camera, tap on this settings icon and then scroll down to the end and tap on restore defaults. Now from this pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and after that the camera settings will be reset back to default and the shutter lag issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, click on this apps option again. Now scroll down and here tap on camera and then go to the storage of camera. Now clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So after doing this, the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this solution, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update, and from here check if your phone is updated to the latest software version or not. So if your phone is not updated, then update the phone's software, and after updating the software, the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.